starting off this week's episode of Taipei. I got lunch with my classmates on Monday. I feel like the beginnings of my weeks are so fast because I tend to film a lot more towards the weekend and then I get tired of filming in the beginning of the week. But mostly just running errands. On New Year's Eve, my classmate Bebe brought KFC. She got us like fried chicken and Biscoff egg tarts and some sides. It was very nice. Also, look at these creepy puppets peeking out from under the curtain of the puppet show near my house. Oh my gosh. Also, I decided to film a run with me. 1 mile 3. I'm dead inside. 4, 5, 1/3 of the way through. 6, 7.5. I'm halfway there. Oh man. 8, 9, 10, 2/3, 11, 12, 12. No, I meant 13 actually. My brain. 14 miles. Last one. 15. I'm dead. That was good though. I'm egregiously late for a New Year's party at Luca's, but hopefully I make it. I mean, I'll make it before midnight, and I guess that's all you can really ask for. Also, all the MRT fares are free today. We're free after midnight, so that's a plus.
I washed my hands just right now, so don't mind.
You dude, right?
Mama? What is he doing?
Bingo was his name.
Oh, why is he getting his bottle in there?
Okay. Not invited. What are you doing here?
I can do what I want.
Eastern Island statues. I feel it. Yeah, get that on the box.
Oh, there's Taipei 101.
Wait, is it?
Go, Jackie.
Megan's DIY.
Kicked off his slippers, bro. You're gonna need like pipes. Or like flash.
I know, I think I should use my other camera.
Find that next one?
Yo, he's crazy.
10, 9,
Wait. There's supposed to be a countdown on there.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god.
It's a fucking Spielberg, baby! Oh, that's the money in it. Damn! I'll pay the whole taxes for this. It's beautiful.
You can feel free to skip through this if you want. I just wanted to upload all of it for posterity's sake. Also, my camera totally died halfway through, so I have some of my iPhone footage as well because I was taking it on both just to compare the quality. So yeah, it's gonna cut off here, but let me know what you think about the difference in sort of resolution and also how the fireworks turn out on what was my camera before and then my iPhone, which is this one. I'm gonna end my video here. Happy New Year, everyone! 新年快乐!
I hope it does.
I need to get a flash. I mean, we were thinking we need to see Lucas' ass up there.
The MRT after fireworks was insane. Oh man, this was like we couldn't even get through the turnstiles at that point. And then when we did get through, like all of the trains that would pass by were completely full. So we just had to keep waiting and keep waiting until finally an empty car came, and then everyone was like cheering. I phoned home on my New Year's Day and my family's New Year's Eve, and they were celebrating it at Christine's place in New York. And Christine decided to host like an award ceremony for her family this year with like very funny little awards like best speech giver at her wedding, or like I got best graduate. I'm the only one in my family who graduated like this year. And yeah, I don't know how to configure sound on this thing, which really sucks. So you kind of just see all of us in silence, but it was very cute to see them. Hello, it's New Year's and all I've done was work today. So I'm just gonna enjoy my noodle soup and have a chill New Year's. Happy New Year's, everyone. Hello. My life updates are that I got my acne scars lasered yesterday. So I kind of, you can see it's like bleeding, but I kind of am just spending the day recovering and staying away from the outside. It was kind of a scary experience, but it was it like took like 5 minutes, but then they spent like probably like 20 to 30 minutes like putting ice packs on my face. And yeah, I mean, it was fine, but I'm trying to like take as many steps as I can to like, or as much precaution as I can in helping it recover. Right now it doesn't really like hurt or anything. I think they gave me like some like painkillers and stuff, but they're like, that's optional because some people feel pain and some people don't, but like I don't really feel any pain. And also they said that the scars were rather shallow, so like it also depends on like, you know, how much, like the pain kind of depends on how deep or shallow your scars are. So I think they weren't that bad. But yeah, those are all my life updates. Right now I'm like writing a presentation script for my class on just to use a bunch of different grammar and stuff, grammar structures and vocab. And yeah, I'm writing about like Tolstoy's What is Art, or like his essay on what is good art. And I'm trying to write that in Chinese, so it's like kind of probably gonna translate over weirdly, but I think, or at least I think I translated it over weirdly, but hopefully it captures the meaning. Yeah, it's Friday. I kind of spent the most of the day just being inside today, and I called Shy, and maybe I'll watch a movie tonight. I finished Orphan of Asia the day before this, and I felt like the ending kind of left something to be desired, but I see where the author was kind of going. Like, I think he basically just wanted to touch on, you know, the effects of Japanese imperial expansion and how that affected Taiwanese people, especially during, you know, other major conflicts, like with China and Japan at that time, and basically how that affected the Taiwanese, and also the sort of powerlessness and anger that they had during the colonial rule, as well as just like, you know, the obvious horrors of war. But yeah, I don't know. I think like it wasn't my favorite book, but I do feel like it taught me a lot. Whereas like I feel like with this book, On Earth We're Briefly Gorgeous, I picked it up and I've read like almost half of it in one day because I felt like it was super gripping in terms of I think Ocean Vuong, the author, has a good sense of how to narrate a story by making it just like incoherent enough for you to fill in the gaps yourself. And also he has insane like visual imagery and I think metaphorical imagery. But yeah, I went to my favorite cafe and I read. Hello. I am going to attempt to make hummus today. Basically, I went to the grocery store yesterday and I asked the lady for hummus, I Google translated hummus, and then I showed her my like phone screen, and then she took me to an aisle, and in the aisle, like, she just gave me these. She just gave me chickpeas. So I'm like, okay, I guess they don't have hummus. And maybe she thought I wanted to make my own. So then I was like, okay, I guess I'll make my own. They have tahini too, but I've never made hummus before, so we'll see how it goes. Oh gosh, I should probably go get some instructions. How to make hummus. Okay. I don't have lemon juice. I don't have garlic. I think I have like a garlic powder though. Surely that's good enough. Garlic granule. Okay. Oh, olive oil. Cool. Alright. Where are the... Okay, 1 can of chickpeas. I'm gonna assume this is 15 ounces. Oh, 250 grams. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay. Okay, I should probably drain these. Okay. Oh gosh, okay. Maybe need a sieve. I don't know if I should use this juice for the... I feel like it would be helpful. Alright, hold on. Oh yeah. Yikes. Okay, 1/4 cup of well-stirred tahini. I don't have any measuring cups. 1/4 cup. Okay. Let me stir this because the oil has so separated. Ew. Olive oil, salt, and water. Oh, that smells so good. I don't know if this is all gonna fit. Okay. And then some garlic. And then some, okay. Okay, I think I might have done something wrong, but that's okay, we're just gonna try it. Oh crap. Okay, I've encountered a problem in which I don't know what this goes into, so I might have to, also I should have done that in the first place, switch to that blender. That has such a rich taste. Oh my god. I've never had hummus that strong. Like, I guess it is straight up just chickpeas. I taste the garlic now. That's good. I think it's probably because it's the most bare bones like thing I didn't have people. I think it says to put in like you can put cumin, paprika, random other stuff, and it's really just chickpeas and tahini and like salt. It's quite good. I think I like garlic. I'll put more garlic in there, but I think it tastes really good. I'm honestly quite happy they didn't have hummus there, because now I get to make this. Look how smooth it is. Also, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this hummus now.
Annoying person.
Look, let's be adults and just not talk.
Fine with me.
Later that Saturday evening, I vicariously lived Saturday morning in New York through Shy, in which we went on a bagel run together to Brooklyn Bagels to get his go-to, which is a sesame bagel with lox and scallion cream cheese, which, oh my god, I would kill for right now. But yeah, it was fun just accompanying him through the streets of Chelsea, and apparently it's really cold there though. Oh man, get ready for this cross section. This is an insane bagel. Like, I went to Brooklyn Bagel with him when I went back to New York for the wedding. And oh my god, that looks so good. Yeah. And then but I got the wrong bagels. I wanted to try something new there. I got like the sun-dried tomatoes cream cheese, and it was really salty, which really disappointed me, but I think I remember the other bagel that we got was quite good, but I feel like it was a sweet one, because we usually go salty and sweet, because that's always the move, duh.
Oh, also true. Yeah.
Hi, Allan.
That's some dad vibe there.
Gotta start with the goodies.
What was that? What is it?
Hey Allan,
Here's-
welcome to Taipei.
This is an unsolicited interview. I do not consent to.
What are your
being-
first impressions of Taipei?
I want to cry. I'm in the promised land.
Aww.
I am actually so happy.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy New Year.